Okay, today you're going to start building a pannier rack for the back of the 500 ADV. Mostly to hold this little Krieger bag here, because I've got it strapped on, but you can see underneath that strap there, when you go over little jumps and stuff, the tyre comes up and hits that strap. So I want a good little rack for the back to hold that, but also something that sort of comes down the sides here to hold the panniers for overnight trips. So let's see how we go. So I built this exhaust cage for my 150. I'm pretty much going to use the same method. 8mm round bar, bend it up, weld it up, make a pannier rack out of that sort of style. So this is what I'm starting with. Some 8mm round bar, some 6, some flat bar. Got an assortment of different bolt lengths there to bolt it to the bike. You see there's a piece I've already started bending. It's basically to stick it on the bike, put a mark on it and bend it to suit. And just keep trial and error and bend it till it fits. So it's got this piece, flat bar, fit in there. Just hold the bar on the bike. Put a mark on it where you want to bend it. And you can just sort of stand on it. Do a little tweak. Get it on. See how you went. You have to get a bit creative with the bending, so I've got a little hole in the ball bar and 4-wheel drive here. Just sort of wedge it in and have a bend. Making a bit of progress. Little tub's going to have a hole in there. Shaped this piece here up to match the contour of the guard. That's where she's at. Coming along pretty well. Just need to drill some holes, bolt it on. Might put one more little tub on the back there. Drill a hole through that one there. Bracket there. It's looking all right. Here is the finished product, ready to stick on the bike. It's come up pretty good. Weight test, we're coming in at 1.47 kilos. So this is what I've done to pick up the exhaust bolts, just some little bits of pipe. Sit in there, and some longer bolts. Alright, gonna have a bit of a trial fit of the camping gear into the pannier. So tent, cooker, sleeping bag, pillow, mattress, little chainsaw. So in this left one, got tent, air mattress and pillow. Fits easy. In this right one, got the sleeping bag, little gas cooker, hammer, little chainsaw and a torch, and still heaps of room. Plenty of room in there to chuck some clothes or whatever. And for overnight, I was normally chuck a little esky on the back for food and beers, because that's the most important part. All right, that's all loaded up. For an overnighter, I'd have get rid of the that bag there and have a little esky with some beers. But that's all my camping gear in there. And the old Rhino Walk pannier has gone on rock solid, eh? Looks good.